Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing the video that we made previously that was not uploaded, which was a request by most of you about how we can fill the template, the NSSF contribution template. When you have logged into your account, come to contribution schedule. When you come to contribution schedule, then you can download that template. It's able to download. Then you download it. When downloaded, you look for the area where that template has downloaded. So after downloading, here we have filled the company name. The one that is registered, it should be registered with NSSF. You put here the company number, the NSSF company number. That's the identification number. Here, even if you don't fill, you put the year and then the month you are contributing. That is May. Then you come here, you put the NSSF. You put the NSSF number and then your ID number, the national ID number, or the staff number. You might have a staff number. Then you select here as a standard growth, the standard contribution. Then the growth, it can be a bonus. You can be contributing for that employee, but basically you are contributing a bonus. It can be overtime payment. It can be additional salary, but in this case you can take a gross salary. Then after you come here, then you put how much you are paying as a gross pay. That's 5 million. Then you as an employee, you deduct your percentage, and then the employer, you as an employer, you pay your percentage. And then the one that is being employed, or the employee, you also pay that particular percentage. Then you can put the termination dates if you have them. So this, and then the contact. So this template is easy. Amount here, if we put another stamp, then it will reflect here. So when you are filling this template, you should be so conscious. You should be so conscious. And then you are able to fill. So avoid making here. So this, the contribution you make should tally or should be the same with that you put to pay as you earn from to the revenue agents or the revenue authorities. So I expect that by this you are able to, when calculating this, an employer, you contribute 10%, and then the employee contributes 5%. So from these 5 millions, you get 5% from that 5 millions. So meaning, if we get 5% from that 5 millions, that will be 250. So under the record, that means the employee, the employee has received the 4,750,000. Then you as the employer, you top there 10% for that employee. You are there 10% to make 750. Thank you so much for that. But fig the contribution is so easy. You put there. If you need the customized support and learning, you can visit our website. That is www.scesinternational.org. The link is down in a bio, and then you book an appointment. Then we can provide customized support. Thank you.